What's up, YouTube? My name is Loving. Today, I want to talk about Phoenix. Phoenix is a token that is minted from the ashes of burned Xen. The founder is Joe Blau. Joe Blau is such an amazing guy. He's an interesting guy. He's one of the guys that believe in the first principle of crypto. So I left the white paper in the description below so you can read more about this project. So Phoenix Protocol uses open source code on public blockchain to provide a hyperstructure that rewards its community for delayed gratification. What that means is that the longer you stake, the more Phoenix you actually get. And the burn ratio of a Zen to Phoenix is, I think, is 10,000 to 1. So if you need to burn 10,000 Zen to get one Phoenix. So Phoenix has these principles. It's simple in the sense that when you stake your Phoenix, you don't really need to do any much thing. You just need to relax and enjoy your rewards. So when you talk about Phoenix protocol, when you go through the white paper, you understand the principles that Phoenix is built on. It's simple. It has no investors allocation, no pre-mine, proof of participation, start at zero supply. It doesn't have any sacrifice, no backdoor, no team allocation, no origin addresses. It's immutable, no management team, no initial coin offering. User mints their equity. Fair launch. I actually love this part because everyone has no excuse not to participate. You is proof of participation. You can come in with any amount of money. All you need to do is get your Zen and burn it and get your Phoenix. It doesn't have any maximum cap, no admin keys. It's hyperstructure, so it actually makes me so bullish on Phoenix because is 100% driven by the community. Okay, Phoenix also offers an adoption reward for the community. It offers an adoption reward for stakers, which is generated every time someone burns Zen. So anytime someone burns Zen, it has an adoption reward that is being given to the stakers. Now, and mind you, very important here, when you end your stake early, there's a penalty for that. Is take an early end penalty period. This period ranges from 0% to 100 of your stake time. The stake time can last anywhere from 1 day to 777 days. That's 21 years. That's a whole long time. But you can actually do a year, 6 months, depending how you are comfortable with. But the longer you stay, the more reward and the more Phoenix you will actually get. So if you check this curve here, this graph here, you see the reward and the penalty. So you get higher reward as you stake, and if you did not claim your reward on time, if you not claim your stake on time or close your stake on time, you will lose it. And the time frame for late penalty period is 0 to 180 days. So after 180 days, you will lose everything. So that is it. So having said that, let's go to the Phoenix website. You get phoenix.fyi. Let's see how you can participate in this project. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can participate in this project. Then first of all, you connect your wallet. My wallet is already connected. Then I use okay, mind you, Phoenix is only on Polygon as at the time of this video. It will be launching on Ethereum network this month anytime soon. So it's only on Polygon mainnet. So you can connect your wallet, and let's get started. So let me quickly give you a run-up of how. Okay, when you go to zen.pub, zen.pub, it has you will see it's a wonderful site designed by one of the Zen community. Shout out to Joseph. He actually designed a wonderful website where you can check a lot of data on Zen and its ecosystem. So when you go to Phoenix dashboard, I'm actually at Phoenix dashboard now. So time since Genesis is 5 days, and Phoenix has born 5.6 trillion Zen. Wow, 5.6 trillion Zen. This is so amazing. I just want to show you within 5 days, it has born 5.6 trillion Zen. Is a huge number. So is making Zen bullish, and also making Phoenix bullish also when you look at it technically. So let's go there and show you how you can get your Phoenix. First of all, connect to your wallet. Okay, once your wallet is connected, you first of all you get some Zen. You can mint Zen here, or you go to, so you can mint Zen here, or you can mint it in Zen official website. So you can mint Zen on zen.fyi, that is on Phoenix platform, or you can mint Zen on Zen official website. So once you've minted Zen, you have some Zen, then you go ahead and approve. Let's check if I have some Zen here. Okay, I have some MZen. Good. I have some Zen. Okay, you can now go ahead and approve Phoenix. You can decide the number of Zen you want to burn. I want to burn all of it. I want to burn all of it. All of it. Okay, okay. You approve. Approve. So the transaction confirmed. The gas grade is kind of 244, so it used to be very high. Okay, once you approve, then you burn, then you click on burn. Okay, I need to give the max number. So I have 215 million Zen here. I have 250 million Zen here, and I want to burn all of them for Phoenix. So and Phoenix, I will get 21,000 Phoenix. Let's go ahead and burn it down. Let's burn it down. Okay, my gas fee is $0.03. Matic is cheap. If you cannot compete with Ethereum, you can come and burn on different chains. So success, your Zen has been burned and converted to Phoenix. So right now I can decide to stake all of it. I can decide to stake all of it, and I can decide to leave it. I wanna stake it. Let me stake half of it. Okay, let me stake. I have 21,000. Let me stake 10,000 Phoenix. 10,000 for, I want to do the max. Wow, 21 years. Is it not too hard? Okay, let me just give it a trial. Let me just take 10,000 for 21 years. That's, I'll claim it 2044. Boo, this is serious. Oh God, lovely. Are you sure you want to do this? Okay, project return will have 22,000 Phoenix. Your stake is currently projected to return your principal. However, larger stakes in the pool may dilute your stake. Okay, let's go ahead. Start stake. Gung 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 gung. Confirmed. Your stake has been initiated. Happy earning. Yo, I have 11,000 Phoenix here. Okay, left. Okay, I don't know what to do with this. I might do a short stake with this one so that I can get my money first. Maybe I just wanted to give the 21 days a try. Okay, that's it for Phoenix. I'm excited about this project. I don't know why, and I believe that a lot of goodies are going to come out from here. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, and turn on your notification button so that you can always get any video or any content I upload. Thank you. See ya in my next video.